In this video, I have explained what is an graphics, what is an images, what is the difference between graphics and images, and what are the drawback and advantages of images over the graphics. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video link with your friends, gain the knowledge and rule the world. Graphics and images. The graphics and images are the kinds of information which will be not in the form of an textual. It will be a non-textual information. Those can be displayed as well as printed. They may appear on the screen as well as on the printers, but cannot be displayed with the devices which are capable of handling only the characters. That means the devices which is capable of handling only the textual information, those kind of devices cannot display or print the non-textual information such as the graphics and the images. Let us move on to understand in detail regarding graphics and images. Graphics and images both are the non-textual information, but there is a difference between the graphics and the images. Let us learn in detail regarding graphics and images. First, graphics. The graphics are normally created in a graphics application and internally represented as an assemblage of objects such as lines, curves or circles. The graphics are nothing but the images which have been created by using an graphic applications and internally represented as an assembly of object consisting of lines, curves or circles. And each of the graphics will be having an attribute such as style, width, color, which will be defining the appearance of an graphics. The object graphics are composed of, can be individually deleted, edited, moved or modified later. That means we can make the changes to the line, curve or an circles, and these are considered as an objects of an graphics, and these can be moved, added, deleted, modified. We can make any changes to the objects which are present in the graphics. Graphics are normally created by using an application. Those applications are an graphic applications and they are internally represented by the assemblage combination of objects such as lines, curves or an circles, and each of them will be having an attribute such as a color, style, width, which will be defining the appearance of an graphics. These objects can be individually edited, deleted, modified, and even it can be moved from one place to another place within the graphics. Next is images. Images can be formed from a real world or a virtual and are not editable in the sense as in case of an graphics. That means the graphics which are formed by using the graphic applications and which can be edited individually, whereas the images can be from the real world or an virtual and they cannot be edited as we edit the objects of an graphics. The images will be ignoring the semantic contents. They are described as a special array of values. The smallest addressable image element is called as a pixel. What is a pixel? A pixel is the smallest addressable image element. Means the smallest unit present in an image is called as a pixel. The smallest unit which is addressable is called as a pixel. The array and the set of pixels. The array and thus the set of pixels is called as a bitmap. A bitmap is nothing but an array of pixel. An array and a set of pixels is called as a bitmap. Pixel is the smallest individual addressable element of an image and bitmap is the array, the set of pixels. Object based enable is not possible as I told. In case of an graphics, we can make or we can do the editing based upon the objects, whereas in case of an images, object based editing is not possible, but we have an tools. Those tools are the image editing tools which exist. By using those existing image editing tools for enhancing and retouching bitmap images, we have a number of apps and the tools and the applications which are available. Using those tools we can make the changes to the images by enhancing or retouching the bitmap images. That means we can add the various features to the images, and the object based enabling is not possible. There is a object based editing is not possible, whereas we can make the changes to the images by changing the background and by using the retouching of an images by using the various tools which have been available. The drawback of bitmaps. Bitmap, as I told, it is an array of pixel, and pixel is the smallest addressable element of an image. The smallest addressable element of an image is a pixel, and the array of pixels is called as a bitmap. The drawbacks in case of an images is that the bitmaps of the images is they will be needing much more storage space as compared to the graphics. The graphics will be requiring less storage space, whereas the images, because of the bitmaps, it will be requiring more storage space. That means because of the bitmaps, the images will be needing more storage capacity as compared to the graphics. The advantage is that no processing is necessary before displaying them, unlike graphics where the abstract definition must be processed first to produce a bitmap. Their advantage is that no processing is necessary as compared to the graphics, because in case of an graphics we need to have the abstract definition must be processed, whereas the images can be displayed directly without any processing. The drawback of images is that they require more storage capacity, and advantage is that they does not require any processing before displaying them. Of course, the images captured from an analog signal via a scanners or an video cameras are represented as bitmaps unless semantic recognition takes place, such as in case of an OCR, that is in case of an optical character recognition. Images captured from an analog signal such as scanners and video cameras are represented as bitmaps, and when they have been captured by using an OCR, that is an optical character recognition, other than when it has been captured from OCR, it will be considered as an bitmaps.